Hello there, it's Blake Cahoon of the Angelic Path. I promised you I would show you the crystals that I bought when I was in New York, and so I am this morning. So they gave me this wonderful little pouch, and the first one I'm going to mispronounce. It's beautiful. It's purple. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to get this so that you can see it. But it's purple and white. I want to say it's something like a peridot or something like that. No, it's not a peridot because that's a little green one. At any rate, the stones that I picked out had a profound effects on me when I was in this crystal store in New York. I had just sat in an amethyst crystal chair, so my head was spinning from that, so that might have added to some of this. But this one was very powerful. This one was to help me with my business and focus and move forward with my business, which I love. Which is the Angelic Path, of course. And then, of course, I picked up some pink quartz just because. This is a little piece of pink quartz. I don't think you can see it very well. It doesn't really show up on camera very well, but trust me, it's pink quartz. Opens up the heart center. And this one was interesting. This is Bumblebee Jasper. And you can kind of tell that it's got black and yellow, which is why it's called Bumblebee. Now, I picked up this one. I actually picked up a sphere of this one, a little bit beyond the budget. And so I picked this up, but boy, I was just like, whoa. So it's still got that power for me. I don't know what this is for, and I haven't had a chance to look it up yet. I will let you know. But this is Bumblebee Jasper. I would not have normally picked it up because I have a tendency to pick up really pretty stones and greens and things like that. But this was very, very powerful. And it has beauty of its own. It's just black and yellow aren't just my cup of tea. I prefer malachite, which I have in my thing. I prefer, malachite. Yeah, this is malachite, healing stone. I have a basket of stones right here in front of me. So anyway, Bumblebee Jasper. I will look that up. I will look up what this one was and what the name of this was, and I will give that to you in a separate video. And then pink quartz, fairly common, and I have quite a few of those in the basket. So I hope you have a fantastic Saturday. We're going to be doing more of these little videos, posting them. We've got one on channeling, channeled from the Divine Guidance team that I'm putting together. I'll be putting out that this week. And really some good information came through on that one. We're going to be doing a lot more channeling videos because eventually what we like to do is have some sort of channeling event, a fireside chat type thing. We're also going to be doing that on Facebook Lives. So lots more to come. I hope you're ready for November and December. It is the holiday season now. Lots and lots of stuff going on. Many blessings to all of you, and thanks for watching. Until next time.